Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jean Hartmann at Jean Hartmann YouTube page.
Channel.
Guys, today we have a new BOXYCHARM. This is for the month of December 2020 because we're about 6 months late on our BOXYCHARM. So ito guys, yung bagong BOXYCHARM natin. Di ba yung monthly BOXYCHARM namin is mahal din, kaya nag-stop ako ng ilang buwan na mag-BOXYCHARM kasi nagkokolekta ng para sa gasolina. Tumataas kasing gasolina dito sa California, kaya so buksan natin ito yung yung BOXYCHARM na sa loob. Tingnan mo guys, akala mo naman Louis Vuitton ang nasa loob, pero BOXYCHARM lang yan guys. Ayan BOXYCHARM, yan ang sa loob. Hindi ko na ianuhin yung hindi ko yung price nandiyan sa yung mga prices pala niya. I will show you kung magkano ang retail niya, kasi si Jean palagi niya sinasabi kung magkano ang retail niya. And today guys, we have BOXYCHARM Flourish for the month of May pala to, hindi pala December. Month of May, ayan. And so we're gonna start with Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Ito guys, Murad. Maurag. Hindi ko maurag means like yung parang pagod na pagod, maurag. Ayan, Murad.
And it is a detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light
Electronic
devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula daw is
director ko, Diyos ko. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier when you sleep. The retail price is 74.00 kasi nagpo-point yan si Jean Hartmann eh. So 74.00 ang retail price niya guys. So medyo mahal siya. Kung hindi ka mayaman, hindi mo talaga ma-afford. Ang susunod is yung CAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. O, di ba ang ganda niya guys? This palette has a new formula and a new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for more intense nighttime look. O, di ba? Nighttime talaga. Pangpok-pok ang mga kulay na to. So, ang MSRP nito guys is 52.00. Diyos ko, yung ko wala. 52.00. And it's a new launch. So bago sila guys. It's a new launch. KAB Flourish. Ayan ang mga kulay guys. Ang gaganda naman ng kulay. Itong favorite ko. This one pops out to me. This one right here. And I think I like this one too. Pero pang pok-pok talaga mga kulay. Edi syempre, pok-pok din ako. So we have the next item is our Lavish Essential Eye Collection. It is a group of brushes, Essential Eye Collection, 5 handcrafted vegan friendly pala siya guys. Pwede mo pala kainin, vegan friendly siya. Vegan brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. MSRP is $30.00. $30. Guys, I wouldn't spend $30 retail on these brushes. Mukha lang siyang color crayons. So again, it is from Lavish Flourish. New launch din nila ng products. So ayun, i-block natin para makita nila. Ayun. Okay. So I don't know, I don't like the color scheme of it. Mukha siyang lime at saka yellow. Hindi ko feel lemon lime siya. The next item that we have is the dry eye puwisit. Nahulog yung Ang susunod guys is the Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. O yun, Hot Toddy. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heating, styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. MSRP is $27. You can find them at hashtag Drybar Flourish. And take a look at this guys. I love this color. Pero wala akong buhok. Wala. Para sa buhok pala to, wala akong buhok. So dito na lang sa kilay ko pwede. Okay guys, so that's worth $27. Worth $27 pa to. Ay Diyos ko, wag na lang. Next one guys is Mellow Cosmetic Sleep Gloss. Get ready to spice up your lips. The ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a unique smooth feel. It can be worn alone or even over any lipstick. with the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. Di mukhang mantika ng mga mukha ninyo, lips ninyo. The Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve.
What's the name of the shade?
And it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. Vegan pala natin. Pwede pa rin natin kainin to kasi vegan siya, guys. MSRP is $18. Mellow Fresh. Hashtag Mellow Fresh, guys. Ayan. So, itratry natin yan mamaya. Pag pokpok, labas kong pokpok mamaya. Kapag nagsisikod mo. Saint-Tropez.
How much?
Ang price niya is $18, guys. Hindi ko alam kung worth it siya or hindi. But the total packaging here is...
Ayusin mo yung math mo.
Magkano yan? 152, 156.
Yung
Murad is $74, guys. So, magbilang-bilang na kayo kasi hindi ako marunong mag-math. Hindi ako accountant. Jewelry Life, accountant ka, magbilang ka. $74 is for the Murad. Kaurag. Maurag. That's Bicol. Cosmetics is $52. It's that palette.
It's expensive.
That is very expensive. Galing New Jersey. Balik na sa New Jersey. Made in China pa naman yan. Lavish. Gemstone in Jersey. Padala na namin to sa'yo. Good luck. Oh, diba? The next one is the Lavish Essential Eye Collection. Vegan din siya, guys. So, pwede natin gamitin. Kainin daw. Vegan yan eh. Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protection. Mamayan pa kasi lalabas kami, magpupokpok kami, kailangan namin ng extra mist para sa dry na buhok ni Jean. Ayan. Yan. And then, the next one is yung Mellow. Ay, $27. $27 ito. Diyos ko naman. Ano ba yung mahal? And then the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Gloss is $18. Ayan, guys. Ito yung monthly na BOXYCHARM natin. You can also, on the link below, you can also register a BOXYCHARM for your monthly package. And you guys, you also get super BOXYCHARMs for an extra...
This is $25.
This is $25 monthly, and you get stuff that is worth over $200 or $250 for all of this. So $25 a month is really worth it. BOXYCHARM.com. You can subscribe. Hit the link below so that Jean could also get a free item for as many people as she registers. So her code is below in the job description. In the YouTube description below. All right, guys. And the code and link is below on the in the description page. Okay, guys. BOXYCHARM for the month of May. We'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Jean Hartmann. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am Jean Hartmann.
And also, this is Angelo's.
And my assistant here, Super RP. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.